Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile quality. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile quality, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will search about FIFA mobile. Then in this list of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to this window of storage. After that you click clear cache, but be attention, don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problems to your phone or your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.